This video will show the calculations for contributed surplus and comprehensive income. The contributed surplus is $41,478. And the accumulated other comprehensive income is $600,102. Let us make this function now. Name our function comprehensive income that accepts a data dictionary as an argument. Define a variable capital, or any name you wish that will store the list array values. Contributed surplus is common shares, plus shares issued. Accumulated other comprehensive income adds total contributed capital, retained earnings, and contributed surplus together. Now, we print out the information, using formatting. Now we call our function and pass in the shares data dictionary. Contributed surplus is $41,478, and accumulated other comprehensive income is $600,102. That concludes this video.